Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Basse, head of the certification group at THX. I'm here to tell you about THX certification and why it matters on headphones and what went on behind the scenes working on the Razer Opus. First, some background. THX has been around for over 36 years and was founded by George Lucas from his desire and to ensure audiences around the world are able to see and hear his movies the way they should be. With all of this engineering experience and background, we developed a specification to provide a reference headphone listening experience, ensuring headphones provide a rich and balanced soundstage with clear vocals and dialogue, low distortion even at high volumes, and really good noise isolation. So what is the certification process and what really happened behind the scenes? Well, it can be broken down into 5 steps. It starts with a prototype development where we're working with the manufacturer, in this case Razer, looking at the early renders and drawings, acoustic enclosures, and individual components to make sure that it's built to THX spec. You can't just take a product off the shelf and expect it to meet our requirements. You need to design it to our spec. And this is where you might think, well, it's Razer. Wasn't THX acquired by Razer? Yes, we were, but that doesn't give Razer a free pass. We still operate as a separate company, and all of our products, including the Opus, needs to meet the same strict standards and specifications we have for all our certified products. The next step in the certification process involves multiple rounds of testing, where a manufacturer will send us prototypes, pre-production samples, and we'll test each one to make sure that they meet all the requirements listed in our spec. For headphones, this includes frequency response, channel balance, distortion at moderate levels, at high levels, and all throughout the frequency range. We'll test the analog input, we'll test the wireless connectivity and performance using all the different Bluetooth codecs. And we spend a lot of time testing and fine-tuning the active noise canceling performance. And those are just the objective tests. We'll then put these through several rounds of subjective tests where we'll have our engineers, as well as novice listeners, listen to the samples and have them provide their feedback. We'll provide all of our listening feedback and recommendations to the manufacturer so that they can make modifications to the EQ. We'll then get another sample with the frequency response changes implemented and go through another round of tests to make sure that everything still passes. Once a sample passes all of our requirements, the manufacturer can move forward with production. And that's still not the end. We'll also look at mass production samples and remeasure and listen to those to make sure that everything that we worked on in the prototypes end up in the final product. We want to make sure that the product that you get has the same performance and sound that we certified. The Razer Opus is a THX certified wireless headphone with great active noise canceling. It provides a well-balanced frequency response with high frequency detail and clarity, deep, impactful bass that doesn't drown out your vocals or dialogue. It's great for listening to all kinds of music, getting immersed in games, and watching your favorite movies. The Razer team worked really hard with our engineering team, working late nights and weekends, going back and forth, testing, reviewing data, making changes and remeasuring until everything was just right. We both wanted to make sure that we came out with a great pair of headphones, and I think we did a pretty good job. For more information and to get your own pair of THX certified Razer Opus headphones, check out Razer.com.